Click on list.
This one?
The above.
Okay.
Yes. Did H&SS training batch? Left panel you could see dashboards, right? Dashboards. Left panel, vertical panel, left vertical panel, dashboards. Yes, yes.
Create a dashboard.
Mahesh assigned to some task, right? We went to somewhere where a task is there, we could assign to people. That page I'm
Training batch. H&SS training batch.
You can go to H&SS training batch, Mohini. Down.
H&S.
H&SS training batch.
In the
Yeah,
left one, down.
fabrics.
Yes.
Mhm.
We have assigned in that.
Yeah.
In that.
These are the two tasks.
Go in that. Just open that.
Login functionality.
yeah. Can you click on that?
Okay.
So here, which task is yours? Chinna test cases, Mohini test cases,
Mhm.
and others didn't create only it.
Ma'am, that was the sample one. What we did on that day. Just it's a sample.
No, your voice is very low for me. What is it?
It was a sample test case review. How to upload, they explained how to upload. That's it on that day. No one uploaded up to now.
How to use Jira board. He
I
explained about how
uploaded
to
my
use
test
Jira board.
cases.
How to upload it.
I uploaded my test cases in here.
Okay.
I need to upload that defect sheet now.
Now, let's see how to do. First, Mohini created another task saying Varsha's test cases. Not under Mohini's test cases, create under login functionality. The left panel you could see add subtask, right? Go to login functionality, go to,
Login functionality.
Yes, go there.
Okay.
So this is the main functionality test card for us. This is the story card, okay? Under here, we are going to add tasks for each and all of us. So in that task, everyone will attach their respective test cases as another task. If any defects are there, those also will be as a task here, okay?
Okay.
So now under login functionality, if you scroll down under subtask, we have Chinna's test cases and Mohini test cases, right? Now we are going to create another subtask for Varsha and for who else? Vikas and Sushmita, Mohita. So four people are there. Now, is this task assigned to Varsha? Can you check once? Click on that. No, it's not assigned, right? Now assigned to Varsha. Varsha, you probably will get an email.
Yes, Anusha.
The similar way, Varsha, now once you get an email, go there, open it, and then create a task to Vikas. Meanwhile, others, please continue writing your test cases and be ready with your Excels, at least one or two for today. This task, I think I gave last week itself. I think nobody is even interested, right? For manual. You don't think that this is a manual thing, that this is a tool which a team is collaboratively doing. This is a real experience which usually happen in a real project. If it is not that important, I would have not even come up to this task and all, right?
Today I will, I mean, we will do that defect sheet and we'll upload there
Please give the some time, ma'am, for today. We will
for
upload
today.
that.
Yeah, that's what. At least one test case everyone's will be at least. I was giving 20 minutes of time. Prepare 2 test cases at least according to your plan, and then upload here today.
Okay. Again, for Mohita, I need to create.
For Mohita, Vikas or Varsha will share screen and then they create and assign to.
Okay.
So for now, Vikas and Mohini, did you assign the task to Vikas?
Yes, I assigned the task. Vikas, this one assigned to Vikas. And now I'm doing for Mohita.
So once task assigned, you will trigger an email. So check your mailbox and then open the ClickUp and then come to this page. Once you came to this page, go to your Excels and prepare test cases. Be ready with those test cases by executing and attaching test results for that with screenshot. Then come back to the tool and then ask me how to.
So these are the one I uploaded my test cases in here. This banking app GTPL. So
Have you also uploaded your screenshots?
screenshots of this one, or the defects you are talking about, whatever I face.
Whenever you create a defect, you will attach appropriate test case into that defect task. But when you are updating any test case, saying pass, right?
Yeah.
So that pass screen should be documented in some word or something, and then attach that word document saying test case 1 or test case name. You can mention in that name as a word, and then attach that word to ClickUp.
Okay.
Can you do that right now? At
Yeah.
least one test results document in a
Okay.
Word document. Screenshots, because of screenshot, you can create a Word document for that. Give name, appropriate name, which test case you are executing, like that. Others are with us. Varsha, you got email. Chinna, Vikas, Mohita also we need to send one task. Sushmita.
Yes, Anusha, I got the mail.
Anyone else did not got an email yet? Anyone didn't receive any task email assigned to?
I didn't get the mail, Anusha
Me
and
too.
Sushmita.
Yeah, Chinna.
Chinna, your test case, it is already there, na?
Yeah, it's
Is
uploaded,
that
but
assigned to him?
Yeah, Chinna test case review is there.
assigned to Mohini. Yes.
Chinna test case review is there. And again, who is remaining?
Sushmita.
Chinna test case review is there. Was it assigned to Chinna?
Oh, okay. This one I need to assign to Chinna.
Now you understood people like see, until unless we assign, they will not get to know what task they have. Either they need to come up to dashboard and then see what is assigned to their name.
So we need,
Otherwise,
Anu, I need to
yes, ma'am.
deselect your name and my name from here, and only this is assigned to Chinna, or
You
how
can
it is?
deselect your name. You can deselect your name, keep my name. In every
Okay.
task, the respective people will assign to me once they're done with their attachment for review.
Okay, and Sumati is remaining.
Sushmita, Mohita, Vikas, Varsha, Mohini, and what? Who else? Who else we missed here?
Sumati.
Check once whether you assign to the appropriate person or not.
Sumati one.
Guys, all got email right now? China, can you share your screen? I'll go to one by one screen, what they're doing.
I have done my test cases in my own previously.
Okay. Were you able to check your email with the task assigned?
No. I did not touch that one. But I prepared the test cases just it. I have given new mail for this, but H&SS not for the guru.
Okay, where is your actual test result?
I did not assign for the actual result.
Share some format, right? Test case format. Follow that now. At least you will be able to attach 2 to 3 test cases for today.
Okay.
Anu, I have one question.
If you want, you can go to her, what to say, Mohini's task and then download the Excel from there. She followed the template.
Okay, ma'am.
But for now, something you can do, right? From your sheet, just check what you can be done. At least
Yeah.
one test case you do today.
Yeah, sure.
If any failure happen in that test case, attach the defect task, okay?
I should give the
And
guru
the
dot
test results
guru
should be
99.
documented in a Word format, okay?
Okay. On that day, like Satya said that we can do anything by the regarding the he shown the another Excel sheet to us to follow this type of data. That's why we a little bit confused on that day.
Okay, which one he shared? Can you share it to me on the screen?
Mohini, do you have that? The test case, what he said?
So which one are you talking about, Chinna?
On that day, they have given a reference to us, no, by preparing for the test cases like this.
It is from Guru 99.
Okay, Shina, this is also fine as long as you're maintaining all the details like test case ID, test case name, test data, prerequisites, test steps, test description, expected, actual, status. These are the main things you need to do. Also, the scenario wise. Under the scenario, how many test cases you are creating.
Okay, so Guru 99 provides us some of the templates, and maybe Chinna does same thing like that
Yes,
maybe he
yes,
is
yes, yes,
talking
yes.
about.
I have
Yes,
done that one.
yeah. That is,
I have taken a reference that one.
yeah,
No, no.
right.
Yeah.
The one which you're showing on the screen is also fine,
Okay, ma'am.
but as long as you're maintaining all your test cases, this is fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Like whatever you are giving as a name, right, in the vertical, horizontal bar here, those
Yeah.
all needs to be tracked in some common sheet
Okay.
in the end. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. It was a pass. This the actual result.
While you're executing, you will get to know.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
just, that's what I'm telling you. Here you have test cases, but where are the test steps?
Yeah, the
The test
testing.
steps should be according to your test case. So each test step should be updated as pass or fail, and then overall test case what it is, like that.
Okay, ma'am.
So here I think it's a bank project direct download here. So you are seeing all at once. It's a high level test plan there. But what we are doing is pay to pay, right? First, one scenario you will take in a separate Excel, one test case you will write in your own, and then upload.
Okay, ma'am. I will take your reference, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, so let's navigate you to the correct way. Here, navigate to the registration page. Open the banking application in a web browser. Locate and click the register a new customer. These are the two steps for this test case. So
Yeah.
for the first test case, you open the URL. Where is registration page URL here?
It's not the registration page. I have given the random one. What they assign.
So you know the requirement, right? That day we have gone through the requirements and you have prepared some of the test cases by your own that day itself, as I remember.
Not me. You assign to Mohini and Vikas. They did that. The defects.
It's not assigned. I just asked them to share their screen and show what they're doing that day.
Mm.
Okay, just I took example of their names. If they assign defects, how they handle it. Okay. So if it is assigned to you, you should be in ready position that okay, I can retest this defect like that. So now what you need to do is initially we had some requirement document, right? And I have shared you a sample.
Mm.
This is like you just download it from somewhere. It's your day. I mean, which you got an email from Guru. This is the one, right? You got.
Anusha,
Yes,
to
yes, yes.
yeah, to check if this is fail or pass, we have to check from that Excel only, right? Which Guru 99 has given.
Can you share your screen? What you're talking about?
Just a moment. So this is the Excel. Can you see my screen? So this is the Excel they have provided, like Guru 99 has given. From this only we have to check in that page, right? Defects.
Can you scroll up a little bit? What are the headings here?
Sorry, I didn't have headings in this. Can you see my screen now? Did it change?
I'm seeing you still. I'm reading what is there inside.
Okay. So this is the test cases that they have given.
Which because be ready, okay? With whatever you're doing, we will review your screen, okay?
Right now, I'm using mobile, so I will share my Excel to Chinna so that I can show my Excel and I will explain what I did.
This is for pass or fail test cases, right? Change
Yeah.
log, integration planning. From where you got this?
It's given by Guru 99. We get emails daily, right? Every day we get emails. In that it is there.
Okay, Varsha, but which module you're talking about? That I wanted to know.
So if they have given one
Under new customer, they have created
yeah
like this
yeah they
test
have
data,
given
expected results. Okay, then you do one thing. This particular first test case execute based on the test data what they gave,
okay
what they wanted to do. What are the test steps here? Enter
yeah
all the required
I
fields
checked
and
this
submit.
and
Where?
yeah
What is the URL?
okay
Which URL they wanted to click on you. This is why I was giving you that format which Mohini followed. Their test steps means clear. They will give just for name, I mean, reference purpose. But in actual, you need to follow. See, if Vikas opened this so-and-so test case which you shared, what he will open? Tell me.
yeah
Enter all required fields is the first step here. But where to enter all this? So you add a step saying which URL you are going to open first. And what is your test scenario over there? What you're trying to achieve, like for what purpose you are going to that URL as a test description. Okay?
okay Anusha I'll do that.
Different. Do it now, at least for 2-3 test cases. I'll review again back your test cases, what you have written.
Okay Anusha
Execute it and take the screenshot, keep it in a Word, and then.
sure okay
Yeah. Because are you ready?
Anusha, I have one question.
Yeah.
Yeah, you told me to write the test cases on the WordPad. I'm in Word. So I'm writing that custom test case scenario and everything. But I need to explain with the line why it is passing or failing like that, or how I need to write that.
The test case format which you have shared in the initial, right? Like you are writing test steps and each test step you are failing,
Mhm,
right? Like either it's a pass or fail. And you're updating overall test case as pass or fail, right?
mhm, mhm.
So whenever you update a fail, so you need to have another column called if it is failed, the defect ID should be added over there in the test case itself.
Okay, so I need to
And
explain
go to the test
everything, why it is
No need to
failing or
explain,
why
your
it.
test case will explain. When
Okay.
you update everything, your test case will only explain everything.
And what should I write in that word?
Only test step, first test step, and what you have seen on the screen, that screenshot. Second test step, what you have seen, that screenshot. If it is
Okay.
failed, update in that Word document saying this is failed, so I'm raising a defect, and add that defect ID over there.
Okay.
Share
All
your
right.
test case screen first,
Yeah, sure,
which
sure.
you have update as failed for so on so test step.
Sure, sure, sure.
If anyone one want reference, right, you can download Mohini's task. From Mohini's task, you can download her Excel. See,
So,
now you have updated as fail, so create another column after pass or fail status.
mhm. So this is the column where I wrote pass and fail test cases, and I
So
need to
beside that,
click the screenshot and I need to upload it to the Word file saying that that is why it is passed and that is why it is failed, like that.
yeah, in the Word document, what you need to do is just update test step 1, which,
Okay. Okay, all right. And now I understood. Yeah.
what is this? Okay, account number must be, you understood, right?
Yeah, and I understood. Okay, I'm
Now what I'm trying to tell you is this
mm,
so on so test case failed, right? So
mhm.
somewhere in the test case requirements, where is it? Test date, test name. So after pass or fail, add some column as comment, and then
Come.
add your defect ID under fail. Like row number 20, you need to update at L column saying defect ID. Go to the defects list where you have where you are maintaining the defects list. You
Mhm.
are giving some ID, right? Unique
Okay.
ID for each defect. That ID should be updated here
Okay, all right. Now understood.
under row 21,
Mhm.
column L21.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay,
Mhm.
and the same defect should be logged in our ClickUp as a separate subtask under your review test cases.
Okay.
All are clear, right? All are
Yes.
following us. Anyone have getting confusion with our discussion? You need any clarification out of this? Any doubts?
I have one doubt. So
Yes, yes.
you said to attach screenshot for the pass and fail, right? So for every step we need to attach a screenshot.
That is how we should do in real case.
So it
Whatever
will
we are
be
testing, that should have a proper documentation as a proof that we have tested. Now, at least now, for example, we have a defect, right? So when we got a defect, the screen was different. Once it is fixed, when like last time we have gone through, the URL was different. Then we have gone to separate URL and then open that. Then we could see past results. So we should have defect screenshot to for our reference that so and so thing happened. And we should also have past test results screenshot. That's one so thing we are seeing past.
uh,
It's like a
how
history for us, proof, history proof. What
uh,
happened yesterday, we don't know. We have seen something. Today's system may behave in some different way. But at the demo time, while you are giving demo to the client, what is happened, like whatever you saw perfectly was not showing perfectly when you're doing demo. So at that time, what proof you have? You can't go back to the time, right? So at that time, whatever test results you have captured, those only talks about it. Okay, so on today I was able to see like this, but today only something happened. It's like a proof for us. Any test result. Okay,
okay, but how to give reference for each screenshot to that is
Word document,
sorry.
empty Word document, blank.
Right now I'm using mobile. I'm on my way to home.
I'll share the screen.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, are you sharing your screen
No,
or
actually, right now I'm on my way to home. So I can,
no problem? Mohini,
okay.
can you share your Word document screen?
Yeah, sure.
Mohini, are you there?
Yeah, I'm sharing.
Can you share your screen? Word document which you are going to prepare.
Yes. So, yeah, this one.
Now she is writing test scenario. In that test step 1, she will write and then attach the screenshot. Like she go to that URL and see the screen, what is happened, like expected is meeting or not. We say that it is working as expected, so on, so right.
Mm-hmm.
Someone saying something.
No, please go carry on.
Now the first step, what it says, from date should not be empty. Account number. Mohini, something is wrong with the test case, Mohini. Where are the test steps? Go to here, go to there, like that. We should write now.
This one are you talking about?
Can you go back to test case?
Yeah.
Your first step itself saying account number is cannot be empty. But in which page?
In customized statement in banking, because I made the customized statement, mini statement, fund transfer first, and then changed login password, other one. So this
Oh,
is
your
for
test first step should be where to go, where to enter that account number.
this account number. I did like this, like this data requirements, and then I entered this kind of data, and then I checked in that app.
Yes, I understand that. But what I'm trying to understand here is
Mhm.
account number cannot be empty. But where it cannot be empty? Which page? Where you need to go to check that account number?
To check the account number, we need to go in customized statement. There you can see that account number and
So,
format, due
to
date, everything.
to navigate to that customized statement, there should be an URL. There should be an credentials to log in, and then or add in the under prerequisites saying URL.
You here
To test data requirement, add URL. Username and password. To which under test data requirement, it is a test data, right? URL. These all are test data. Prerequisite should be we should navigate to the customized statement page from bank project main page. That should be your prerequisite, right? Before to run this test case.
okay. So we need
Understood
to
or any
navigate to customized statement.
from which page? From main bank account project page, right? But since this is your first test case itself, why did you write that login here and then go to this page and then click on that page like that? That is how we should write test case. It's not a directly account number cannot be empty. First step should be to which page you need to navigate to. And to navigate that page, what username and password you are using here, that should be written under test data. And once you logged in there, to navigate to this customized page, how you're going by clicking on what steps you're performing there to navigate to that customized page. Then enter the account number, then you will check. This account number cannot be empty, should be expected. Or a test scenario you're doing. Account number cannot be empty, the test case under one test scenario.
No, but Anusha, it is like it was given one by one.
Confused?
I'll show you in that app, so it will be clear to you. Just a second.
Okay, you continue. While reviewing, I'll update. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Now, just show your Word document and write your first steps saying launch URL and then navigate to customized page you said, right? Now, in actual, how you execute that? Show me that.
Mhm.
To verify that account number in actual, which page you go? Can you show me that?
This one?
Yeah, execute that first test case in front of us. How are you going to do that?
You mean to say the app?
Yes. We are executing this test case. So how you will execute?
Yeah, sure. So these are the one, and here there was a customized statement. Okay. There was a customized statement option.
Hold on. So now you went to some page,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
There, the home page. Once you logged in,
Mm-hmm.
then you went to customized statement. By clicking on customized statement under manager role, right?
Mm-hmm.
These steps must be mentioned in your test case. This is what your review from my side.
So I wrote that
The things are
change
fine.
password
With that,
and login.
how you will navigate? Yeah, that is different test case, right? Whenever you open a new test case, how we will know? It's not that everyone will have that connection, right? Maybe this scenario assigned to Vikas suddenly from you, and how he will test without knowing to which URL he need to go, and how I can navigate to customer statement.
Yeah, right. Now I understood. What you're trying to say.
So from here, after you open customer screenshot, you updated Word document.
Okay, fine.
And in Word document, open the Word document, take screenshot, Control C and Control V.
Like this.
What test scenario is this? Test step one. Step one. Successfully able to log into home screen, login screen. Like that. You can mention something like that. No. Test scenario, let it be. Right? Step one now. Under that test case.
Okay.
Click on Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Again,
Successfully able to log in.
no. In
Mhm.
test scenario for what you're doing. Test scenario means test
Okay.
scenario name, which you have erased before it was there, right? Account number verification, something you wrote.
Account number, verify account number.
Verify account number. So to verify account number, something like that, you need to write the test scenario, right? Name.
Verify login.
Verify account number.
First login page and then
Verify account number. No. Verify account number under manager role.
okay.
So this is your test case name, right? Now come down, write step 1. So after click on login, what you're seeing, user was able to successfully log into the bank project page. What is the name of this bank project page?
GPTL.
Add that step as. Click on login and then see your welcome page, right? That screenshot you can update. User and password, no need. Because your motto is here to not check the user login page. Your motto is to check account number is under manager role. So go click on login and then add screenshot of welcome page.
Okay.
That's okay. Let it be for now. You have updated, but it's not required to keep this screenshot. If at all we are doing username password page verification, that time it's mandatory for us to keep every screenshot.
Okay.
Under that functionality. So whenever, according to the test case, what we are writing over there, according to that, our screenshot should be.
Okay.
So now you can update this page. First, open the welcome page, GTPL Bank welcome page. Then you need to update as click on customized statement from the left panel. Then update this page in the Word. Then your third step would be add your account number, what your motto in that test case. Then what result you got, take screenshot, update over there. That's it.
Okay, fine. Now I understood.
So others, Varsha, are you with me?
Yes, Anusha, I got it.
You got it, right? And Chinna, now you can take download this format.
Yeah, she will share with me. Yeah, I ask her.
Yeah, I'll share
Chinna,
with
I
everyone.
wanted you to show at least one test case today and then leave for the day.
Okay, now then I'll share the template with Chinna and everyone.
Can we download it
Yeah,
from Click?
you don't need to, like others, right? Whoever started today, at least one test case I wanted to see, then you're good to go today. That it is uploaded in ClickUp.
Vani, can you please open my document that I sent you in WhatsApp?
WhatsApp? Okay.
Yeah, please.
Now you guys have ClickUp access, so you directly can go to that ClickUp page and then you can open your review test case and others also you can open once you are able to log into ClickUp.
So actually, this is a test case I made during my second week, I think. So
It's good. It's good. Yeah.
So for every
Who is
step,
sharing the screen?
I'm sharing the screen and he is explaining.
For this test case is fine.
yeah.
As
So
long as we have all the details right, we are good. It's just that you need to maintain test data separately, another column here. Instead of directly giving navigate to .com, you can add here step details like navigate to Guru homepage URL. And under test data column, you will update URL as this one, this value. In
Okay.
test scripts, it's better practice to give parameters for the data which we are trying to use, and then give that parameters value in separate column. Or you can also follow how Mohini is maintaining test data prerequisites like that. This is also fine, but you need to add extra columns here and the test case number where you have written the unique ID of test case ID.
Okay.
So all these details also should be mentioned.
But if we do like that, there will be many screenshots, so it takes more time, I think. Can
That's
we
okay.
limit to
What's
some
problem in that? Like,
okay.
see, site should be open. It's opened. So now tomorrow, the same URL might have changed by the developer by giving some other identifier. Instead of demo, he named it as demo one. But you pass this test case and given certification. Later, by then you done certification, the URL changed, and you are not aware of that. So now they will question you, how come you could pass this test case in this URL? This is not even opening this URL, something like that. Where is your proof? Then you will
Okay.
immediately go to your test case, see so and so test URL given by the developer that I have went to, and I was able to access, so that I was able to complete my test case. Now the requirement change that should be intimated. So now I'll re-execute and then update.
Got
Understood?
it. Thank you.
But now if you are, I mean, if in case taking screenshots and uploading many is difficulty, at least main functionality test case, what you are going to achieve in this test case, that test case, the screenshot must be there. For example, in this test case, your motto is add a new saving account for an existing customer. So when you are doing that particular step, at least what you have seen after you added the existing customer new saving account to that existing customer, that screenshot definitely should be there. Okay. After click on submit button, saving account is successfully created for the customer you're saying. That screenshot that you are seeing that customer on the screen screenshot, you definitely have to mention in the word. Okay.
Got it.
It's a good practice to, I mean, that is how the execution should be. For every step, the test screenshot should be there. Okay, keep continue. Others now who? Sushmita?
Yeah, sure. Yes. I have written test cases for each functionality in different Excel sheets, like after deposit and withdraw.
Just wait, Sushmita. I'm not able to hear your voice. It's very low. Just give me 2 minutes. Meanwhile, okay, I could see your screen now. Yeah.
Um, So for deposit functionality, I have written these test cases, and for withdraw, I have written in another Excel sheet. So do I need to merge all these, or is it fine?
This is how it should be actually. Each test case maintaining in separate sheet is what we expected.
Okay.
It will give a clear clarification. But the thing is, all this test case one, test case two, you can name according to the test case and then maintain in common sheet like test case one, one some ID you gave, right? For each test case, that ID and then test is scenario name, and then the test case is passed or failed. If it is passed, pass. If it is failed, another column name it as defect which you have created for that test case. What I'm trying to say here is, can you create a new sheet here?
Do I need to copy the test case and data in the new sheet?
Write a column name as test case ID. First column name test case ID. Next test case name. Status. Assign to. Assignee you can write. Yeah. And status. The next column is status. And then comment. Date of okay, that $10 is not required. Okay, now assign comment. Write as a comment.
What is that?
Comment.
I didn't get it.
In column name as comment.
Oh,
Now your test kit one is there, right? There, what ID you gave, that you will fill here, and what name you gave, that you will fill here, and who is assigned to that test kit, and then what is the status as of now today, whether it is in open status or you are executing. If it is executing, you will update as in progress. If it is already executed, passed or failed, you will update appropriate status. Like that, for all the test cases, one common tracking sheet should be there for whichever scenario you are writing. And after all the scenarios, right? Maybe this is one scenario you have taken, like one module. For this module, these are the test cases. For another module, again, you will write some set of test cases. And again, all the modules should be tracked in one common sheet, like that.
Okay. So here in test
Understood?
case ID and test case ID, we will give you the ID, and in the test case name, what we need to give? We need to give the test scenario or the test case description.
Yeah, verify manager to be able to different funds into customer's account. This the name you gave, right? So the same you copy and paste over this.
Okay, the test case name. Okay.
Test case ID which you gave unique in the test case itself.
Yeah. Yeah.
So can all are here? Are you people are with me? So this is how actually this is what I was trying to show by my screen, but already we got here. So now each test case needs to be written in separate sheets. And the appropriate test results will be there in that particular test case here. And we create a common sheet. And in this particular Excel itself, another sheet called defects tracking sheet. So whatever the defects you have raised in all these test cases will be tracked in common sheet in the same Excel. So that you please understood, any doubt, any confusion?
So Anu, this is the test cases for the deposit functionality, and for the withdraw functionality, I have written the test cases in another Excel sheet. So do I need
Yes,
to
that
merge
is
that
how
one also in this,
Sushmita.
or
Yes,
do I need
yes.
to put it?
So now in another Excel sheet, Excel you will prepare and track all the modules.
Okay.
And you will be attaching,
test cases.
like you created a test review task under the ClickUp, right? Now create a separate subtask for each functionality there. That way also fine.
Okay.
Like first functionality, whatever the Excel sheet you prepared, that is one task. And another task should be the other functionality which you have prepared.
So in
And attach
subtask, I
that
will
particular Excel
attach
to
that.
that task. Yeah. Sushmita, test case here we have, right? So create,
Yes.
go to subtask here. After details, click on subtask. You don't have permission.
No, it's not even.
Uh, others also facing the same way. Are they not have subtask creation?
Yeah, even I don't have that.
Can you scroll up? it is assigned to your name only, right?
Yes, yes.
Instead of to do, try changing the task status to something else. Like click on to do. Now see if you are able to.
No.
Oh, strange. Okay, directly under login functionality, you yourself create a, there one option called add subtask, right? Left panel, left panel. The second one, add subtask.
No.
Yeah, create by your own.
Do I need to click login functionality? Sorry, the deposit functionality after manager or
Just write login function. I mean, yeah, Sushmita, some add some other text.
Hello.
Now, can you see if you can add any task?
I didn't get you.
We are not able to hear your voice, Amisha.
You're not able to add any task here under this. Which one you created?
No. No.
Okay, maybe we need to check with Mahesh. Maybe the permissions he provided might be need to altered. Now you have test cases with you, right? Try
Yes, yes,
attaching here at least the test case list. Try attaching here, but you need to maintain a separate sheet called module. Like you have written two functionalities.
Yeah. Three functionalities I have written.
So you do one thing. Sushmita, the functionality
Yes.
is a task name for you under the functionality test cases. Then attach your test results in that task. That is also fine.
Shall I attach the Susmita test case review?
Anyhow, you have assigned it to. So for one, name it as the Sushmita hyphen, the functionality for what you have written test cases. And the other one, Sushmita hyphen, the functionality for what you have written test cases. And that particular task, attach your Excel and the appropriate test results.
Okay.
And if any defects came up, under this login functionality itself, create add subtask and then defect name like that.
Okay. So do I need to attach the deposit functionality test case screenshot here?
Since test cases will be more, or if you are directly pointing to that particular functionality, just add screenshot name as the test case name. The main motto is like to open the screenshot and then open that URL and see what expected results, the motto of the test case, right? For example, I wanted to see successfully login screen on my test case. That is my motto. But whatever cases steps I'm going through, those are also actually needed for us to document in a Word. But for now, what you can do directly that screenshot, that successfully logged in screenshot will be there, right? That screenshot you capture, name it as your test case, verifying the login successful screen. So that screenshot directly, if we see, we will get to know, okay, this is by seeing the name itself, we should understand what test case is referring that particular test screenshot.
So for every test case, I need to create a Word document with the particular screenshot and attach it here.
Yes, you can also create a Word document for each test case by following all the steps and then attach directly that word here. If you directly wanted to attach screenshots, that is the first way. If you wanted to save them in a Word document and then attach a bulk, then you can attach as a Word document all the test cases. Like how
All the test
Mohita,
cases.
yeah, Mohini's screen you have seen, right?
Yes, yes.
Step 1, step 2. That is the traditional way to follow. Like step 1, step 2 for each test case. One Word Excel will be there with all the screenshot, and test case 2 another Word Excel. So like that, we need to prepare and attach for each and every test cases which we attach here. If you could able to create subtask, right? I would suggest like to create each task for each test case, one test case to like that. But you are not able to create subtask. That's why I'm giving this way. In that way, for example, for test under first functionality module, you have created test case. First test functionality is something. You will write under that task. You will create test case 1 as a one task. In that, you will attach all the screenshots. There, you no need to even maintain the proper format and all. Test step 1, step 2, like that also you can directly attach. Instead of what you're saying in the word, what you're doing, what you're capturing in the word, directly you can reciprocate in the test case itself, which we are attaching in the ClickUp. It's just that you need to have a what to say other like a grant permission to create subtask another task that you don't have. So,
Okay, yeah, I'll do it.
but now just attach all your test cases and your Word document here for each separate functionality. At least maintain that. Like to have written for two functionalities. So first functionality name you will alter here, and the other one Sushmita hyphen the functionality name.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sure.
So Vikas, did you reach or are you still traveling?
More 10 minutes.
Sorry. Please.
More 10 minutes.
Okay, I think because once you reach, you finish your task and then assign to my name, I will review. Okay.
Okay, okay.
But overall, I at least need one test case needs to be attached with proper test results to give at least what a review. I mean, what where you people are going wrong in your way, so that I can alter your way of going towards the test case writing. Okay, and the other one, Varsha, how far you came?
Yes, I'm trying to do that, Anusha.
What you're trying?
To take the screenshot and attach it.
How many screenshots you have captured so far? Can you show me on the Word document? This peer-to-peer became like, I mean, I thought you people will finish off. I just can go to ClickUp and then review. Unfortunately, I couldn't see anything, so I had to like held up all you people and then do it right now at least. If you give guarantee that you will finish and then assign to my name by evening today or like tomorrow your by then you tomorrow your class time, at least maybe take tomorrow, at least tomorrow maybe your Mahesh Satya will take class or Mahesh will take or I will take. So based on that, at least by tomorrow I need at least two test cases, at least one proper format which we are trying to see from each one of you should be there. In order to do that, if any one of you have any doubts, then be here and clarify and then go. Otherwise, if you are sure that you can finish your task, you can leave and then finish your task and then assign it to mine.
Okay.
So anyone need clarifications, doubts, or stuck somewhere while doing, please be here, and the rest can leave.
Anusha, can I do the changes like Sushmita in my
Yes,
test
exactly. I
cases?
was about to tell you that.
Mhm.
That is actually the way. But yours, I thought the next step, the next stage, I can clearly explain. This is
Mhm.
how we need to. But it is already done by Sushmita. So that is actually the first reference for all of you people. The second reference is Mohini's.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Usually the test case should be in separate sheet. And each sheet, we will update test case and then again track all the test case in common sheet, like how we are tracking all the defects in common sheet. Again, if you're writing different modules, again all the modules should be tracked in one common sheet. Likewise, we have to hierarchy our test case.
Okay.
But that's okay, Mohini, your homework is fine. It's just that you need to maintain a common sheet again separately, like how you're maintaining a defect sheet. I think probably you have captured only one functionality, right? Not different modules. You
Yeah,
also cover different modules.
I covered, but I wrote it in a test scenario
Same.
format.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, fine. This is also fine. Like you are maintaining in one test scenario in one sheet, right?
Yeah.
The traditional way is what Sushmita followed. If you
Okay.
already prepared so long to this way, then don't take more efforts.
Okay.
But you know, right, how to do. Like you can take Sushmita's reference. Just that,
Yeah. I'll
yeah.
tell her to share her format
I
too.
mean, she will upload her ClickUp, right? So there you can download.
Yeah, sure. No issues.
Just that some mandatory reviews from your test case is like you didn't try the test steps properly.
Mhm.
That you make sure while you're writing. The other things you can review from others, okay?
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Yeah. But maintain this common sheet. Test scenarios not like in one common sheet, write test case ID, test steps, test case name, status pass or fail, so that you no need to go to each tab to check whether that test case is passed, like that.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes, true.
So Tina, are you clear with the requirement today?
Yes, ma'am, I'm clear. Thank you. I will upload by tomorrow when before. Okay.
Yes,
What you
yes,
said. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
yes. And remember all the inputs which we have
Sure, ma'am.
discussed. Vikas, Mohita,
I'm good, Anisha.
Yeah, we'll upload
any
Anusha.
doubts you have, you can clarify now. Don't hesitate to ask even if it is a simple question. If you're good with what we have discussed today and what we are expecting by tomorrow from you, if you're assuring that I can complete Anusha, then I'll leave you people. Otherwise, be online and then get the clarifications and then start your work. All good?
Yes, Anusha.
From all.
Yes,
From
ma'am.
all. Say yes.
Yes, Anusha.
yes.
Everything is good.
This is very important session. Until unless you do something from your side, you won't understand. This feels like boring session. Until you start doing something, then you understand for what we are doing this session today. Okay?
Okay.
I'm expecting by my next class, every task should be updated. And based on the permission of subtasks, I'll check with Mahesh and get back to you people. By then, whatever the task you could able to create and however you can create, just do it. Do something instead of doing nothing. Do practical. Do something practical way. If it is wrong or right, we'll see that later. Just do something. Okay?
Okay.
Now you're saying okay, but tomorrow I should not get any surprise answer from you. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
So, Varsha, you're okay?
Yeah, yes,
Because
Anusha.
you're clear, right?
Yes, we'll upload by tomorrow.
And Vikas, are you sure with what we are discussing?
Yeah, Anusha, I'm good.
You're good, right? Good.
Yeah.
Mohita, are you there
Yeah,
with us?
yes, Anusha. Yeah, I have some network issues. That's why I'm
Oh, fine then. You are
not able
clear
to
with the
share.
requirement, right?
Yeah,
What we are.
yeah.
Okay, then, guys. Don't say that I did not complete by my next task. I'm hoping everyone will complete their task. And then the task. It won't take much time if you did it. Seriously, give like 1 hour, 2 hours, it will be fine. Okay? Okay, then continue your task and then have a good night.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night, Anusha. Bye. Good night. Thank you.
So, do you want this page, Anu?
Oral, how many test cases you have written and how many defects you have updated?
Okay.
All the summit from the pickup.
Okay, all right. So these are the test cases I wrote. Can you see? Hello, Anu?
Mohini, we can see yours.
Okay.
Yes. So you are updated some test steps as fail, where
Mhm.
you have updated the defect corresponding.
These are the one which I saw that it is failing in that app. So it was for a version 1.1, and then I didn't update anything for 1.2 and 1.3 version.
Any defect for that failure?
So I didn't create the defect file. Only this one we wrote that day.
I can't hear any voice. Anyone heard? Hello?
Same.
Yeah.
I'm not hearing anything.
Okay. I think she left maybe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she left.
Mhm. Did she tell us to write the defects that day?
Yes. She
Did you
told to
write?
upload the ClickUp also. I did
Did you
not do.
write?
No. I did not do that.
It
I did
was
not do the
not
test.
clear that day, so I was bit confused about whether she told us to write or not.
Yeah. She told to write and she told to upload for someone. to assign that, as we earlier we done that before in the ClickUp.
Okay,
Yeah.
today we need to do then.
The Chinna, hear me out?
Your voice was not clear, ma'am. Twenty minutes of time. Okay.
Sorry. Am I still not audible to you people?